learners, welcome back to the brush lettering lesson. So last time we kind of talked about how to write alphabets. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually change your styles and give your letters your own personalities. So let's go ahead and do the first kind. So the first way is called changing the guidelines. So when we were doing handwriting lessons at school, we talked about the guidelines. So let's look at this part. So without this bottom line, does it kind of look like how your book normally is like? So this is the top line. We actually have a special name for it. It's called ascender. So this dash line you'll normally see, we call it X height. So X height, the reason why we call it because X normally is a short letter. It goes under this dash line. So this is about the height of an X. So it's called X height. So this one is normally where most letters land on. So it's called baseline. Then in this one, and in this tutorial, we have one extra line. It's kind of like the handwriting papers that Tundra Studio use, with this extra line on the bottom for a lot of letters have longer legs. So this line is called a descender. So this is just a regular spacing. So you can see each space is exactly the same. So we're going to try this first and write the word alphabet, and you guys can see the regular style. Okay, so I just wrote down the word alphabet in our regular way. And now I actually made a different set of guidelines. So if you can see between the ascender and the X height, I left a really small space there. But I didn't change this X height to baseline space. I didn't change the bottom space either. So we're going to write the same word and see whether there's any difference. Okay, can you tell the slightly difference? So this one's more like lean and long, and this one is more kind of like a bubbly and puffy, right? So now let's try the third guideline I created. So for the third one, I actually made the ascender and X height further away compared to the regular set. And I made the space between X height and baseline a little bit smaller. And I didn't change the third space here. So let's see, we're going to write the same word alphabet, and after we write, let's compare the styles. Okay, now can you see? So as you can see, all the tall letters, and they're very tall, and just in general, like I used the same style, but the only thing I changed was the spaces of the guidelines. So you can tell the styles of three different words are actually different. Okay, in next lesson, I will show you several more ways of changing your lettering style so you have your own personality in there. I will see you next time. Thank you.